Hey, it's me, Haspo with WTI.
And I love it when my face looks hydrated but also has some color on it, especially when I haven't gone out in the sun a lot and I look a little pale. Well, with this e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi Stick, which serves as blush, even lipstick or eyeshadow in the shade Glimmer and Wava, I'm able to get the look that I want. I love wearing makeup, but those days when I don't want to wear a full face of makeup and I just want to have some color on my face to look cuter to match my outfits, this is something I use, and a little bit goes a long way. And I love it because I can use it for every single step of my makeup. I can use it as blush, I can use it as lipstick, I can use it as eyeshadow, and that's amazing. I love how creamy and blendable it is, and I also love that it has some shimmer, so it not only serves as blush but as a highlight, so it leaves my skin looking super beautiful, and a lot of people have complimented it before. I love that this stick can be rolled up and down, and again, it lasts for a long time because I just need to use a bit. So if you want to try out one stick that serves as 3 makeup products, this one from e.l.f. is great.
But that's just my point of view.